The ultimate Pppbio Roblox free Robux scam reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're searching for free Robux online, most people get this wrong by trusting websites that promise unlimited rewards. The surprising truth about Pppbio is that it claims to give free Robux, but it's widely reported as a scam designed to collect personal information or led to phishing attacks. First, understand the risks. You won't believe how many accounts get compromised when players enter passwords or personal details into these sites. Roblox official policy is clear: Robux can only be obtained through official channels, gift cards or Roblox premium memberships. Next, read reviews carefully. Most people get this wrong by ignoring red flags in user feedback. Scam sites often have fake testimonials or inconsistent information. Reliable reviews will warn you that Pppbio is unsafe. Avoid giving out your login credentials. The surprising truth is that no legitimate Roblox site will ever ask for your password in exchange for free Robux. Sharing it can result in account theft and permanent loss of virtual items. Finally, stick to safe alternatives. You won't believe how many free or discounted promotions Roblox officially runs through gift cards, Roblox events, or verified partner programs. Use these trusted options to protect your account while still enjoying rewards. In conclusion, Pppbio is a scam that preys on players' desire for free Robux. By understanding the risks, reading reviews carefully, protecting your login, and using official channels, you can avoid scams and keep your Roblox experience safe and enjoyable. Always remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.